Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let's take the next paragraph of this lesson, Long Walk to Freedom. I was not born with a hunger to free. I was born free in every way that I could know, free to run in the fields near my mother's hut, free to swim in the clear stream that ran through my village, free to roast malais under the stars and ride the broad backs of slow-moving bulls. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. This was the period of his childhood when Nelson Mandela realized that he was born free along with the other children of his country. At that time he was free to run in the fields which was near to his mother's hut. He was free to swim in the clear stream that ran through his village. He was free to roast malais under the stars. He was free to ride the broad backs of slow-moving bulls. Nelson Mandela said that he was not troubled by the laws of man or God till he obeyed his father and followed the customs of his tribe. Nelson Mandela is atmaz vana कि इसमें बचपनुक पीरियड्स मतलब कत करान कि तमिस उस बासान तथ मज कि बह हसा आज़ाद कि बकन बचन हंद पे मुल्क पे ये सह दौरान तथ जमीन मज जमीन अमिस माज हंदिस हटस नज़दीक बे बसान अमिस फ्री ये सात सह षरांट वायान तथ कल मज कल तमिन पन्ने गाम मज गुजरान बे बसान अमिस फ्री ये मकई तवान अंडर द स्टार्स बे बसान फ्री ये सवारी करान तमिन on the backs of a slow-moving bulls. Nelson Mandela वना इमलात मिनस बासान मुश्किलात निम कानून सह चाहे सह खुदा सुन कानून चाहे सह इंसान सुन कानून योतान बह फरमा बरदारी करान पन्निस मूल सन्स तो बे बह फॉलो करान तम पन रिवाज कम रिवाज पन्ने कबीलक. It was not only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself, the transitory freedoms of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased and go where I chose. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of living a dignified life. Dear students, Nelson Mandela later on realized the boyhood freedom that he had, it was an only illusion, it was only a wrong notion, it was only a false notion in him. When he discovered as a young man, when he began to hunger for it, means why he began to hunger for it? Because when he realized his freedom had already been snatched from him, already been taken from him. That is why he began to hunger for it. When Nelson Mandela was a student, he wanted freedom only for himself. And dear students, it was only a transitory freedoms, temporary freedoms, and the temporary freedoms that he had to stay out at night, and he read what he pleased, and he went wherever he liked to go. And later on, he realized that these were only the transitory freedoms, means temporary freedoms that he had. And when he was in Johannesburg, he longed for the brisk and honorable freedoms of living a dignified life, means respectable life, that they should live a respectable life, they should live a dignified life. याद मज वन डियर स्टूडेंट्स ये नेल्सन मंडेला से बॉयहुड फ्रीडम उसमें उसमें गलत नोशन ये गो तमिस तमी सात ये डिस्कवर कोर एज ए यंग मैन कि दोपन असली फ्रीडम दिस तिहज फ्रीडम निम छीनित तो तवे अमिच भूख तो ये सात स्टूडेंट तम सात दोपन बह फ्रीडम बह पन्ने खतर योत यसान कि सह क्या फ्रीडम सह ये कि बह रोजान रात नबर तो बह हेकान तह पढ़ बह यसान बह हेकान तोत गसित मे यसन गसन ओस तो मगर यह बाशा अम कर रियलाइज यह टेम्पररी फ्रीडम नस परमानेंट फ्रीडम कह पे बह जानसबर्गस मज मे हसा गई चाहत पोद गस गुजारें डिग्निफाइड लाइफ डिग्निफाइड लाइफ मीन्स दे शुड बी गिवन every kind of facility, every kind of amenities, but they had not. That is why he started fighting for. तो अम कर अत खतर कर फाइट अम लोड इन हकूकन खतर कि अस गस तमाम चीज़ मैसर आसन तमाम सहूलियत मैसर आसन यम बेन कि अम खतर कर स्टार्ट फाइट. थैंक यू.